Hello guys, if you're looking to create and automate documents like invoices, reports, contracts, quotes, proposal and more using your Airtable data, you are in a right place. So let's dive right in and get started. I have this Airtable base with some dummy data that we'll be using to create our document. Okay, so and we'll be using a tool called the PDF Maker to do this. I have logged in to the tool. You'll get the tool link in the description, so do check it out. Now let's create a template for our document. To do so, click on this plus icon, name your template. I'll name it as contract. Select your data source. We'll be using Airtable. Click on connect Airtable. Select your base or give all base access. Grant access. Now click on next step. Here select your base. Select your primary table. In our case, this is our primary table. And select the attachment field. So after the PDF creation, where you want to store the PDF. So we'll be storing our PDF in contract PDF field. Okay. Here you can give your PDF a custom name. Let's do this, and we'll be using contract ID as a PDF name. So also you can override your attachment field. So every time you generate the PDF, your PDF will be the new one and older PDF will get deleted. Click on next step. And this is Google Docs. You can create your own doc here, or if you have an existing Google Doc, that works fine. You can also import your Word doc as well. I have an existing Google Doc, so let's replace the Google Doc. So this is the doc I'm going to use. Okay, so this is the contract we are going to use. So I have all the fields here, as you can see, which are coming from right here. Okay, so let's use the customer name here and contract date here. Just copy the fields and just paste it in the doc. Let's use also customer name, email, and the address as well. Okay. So we'll be using these three fields only for demo. You can also add images to your document as well and line items as well. For now, let's just add the text fields and move ahead. After you're done with the editing, you can click on save, and our template has been saved. Now let's go back, and here is our newly created template. Just click on automate, and here you have three options to automate your template. Either you can use automation script extension, or this webhook, Airtable formula, or button. For this guide, let's use this one. Just copy this, go back here and select a button, or a formula also works. Create doc, and here the formula. Okay, just create field. Now let's create a document. Just click on this button. As you can see, your document has been created. So as you can see, all the fields has been populated here: name, email, address, date. So this is our final PDF, which is saved inside your Airtable base. You can use this PDF and send it for the signature as well. So this can also be achieved inside the PDF Maker. They have various integrations with the e-signing platforms, so you can check out that as well. Also, one thing I want to mention is we also have automation script. So using this script, you can also create automations, like whenever a record is created or updated based on the conditional logic, you can run this script, which is this script, and using this you can also automate your PDF generation or document generation process. So if you want a video on this, do let me know in the comments and I'll create a video. Thank you.